Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you how to change picture size in PowerPoint in a simple and clear way. This video will walk you through each step so you can resize images easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation and move to the slide that contains the picture you want to resize. This is important because PowerPoint only allows you to edit pictures when you are on the slide, where the image is placed, making sure you are working on the correct content. Step 2. Click on the picture to select it, and then look at the top of the screen and click the Picture Format tab. This tab appears only when an image is selected, and it contains all the tools you need to edit, resize, and adjust your picture properly. Step 3. Use the sizing handles located on the corners or sides of the picture, and click and drag them to increase or decrease the size visually. For more accurate resizing, go to the size group in the Picture Format tab and enter exact height and width values, which helps keep your design clean and professional. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.